today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a search bar on your Wix website. Adding a search bar can greatly enhance the user experience by allowing visitors to quickly find the content they are looking for. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Wix website. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and then head over to the specific website where you'd like to add the search bar. Once you're in the editing mode of your Wix site, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll notice an option labeled Add Elements. This is a crucial step because the Add Elements section is where you can find various tools and features that enhance your site's functionality. Now, within the Add Elements menu, there's a handy search bar. In this search bar, type in Site Search. Once you start typing, you'll see a list of options, and among those, you'll find the Site Search feature we're looking for. Click on it, and then you'll see another option pop up. Wix Site Search. This is the tool that allows you to add a search bar to your site with ease. Click Wix Site Search and you'll notice that it gives you the option to add this feature directly to your site. This process is seamless and doesn't require you to have any advanced technical skills. Simply click to add and the search bar will appear on your page. With the search bar now on your page, you have the power to position it exactly where you want. Whether you want it at the top for easy access or perhaps somewhere more subtle, simply drag and drop it to your desired location. Positioning is important because you want the search bar to be easily accessible to your visitors. Next, it's time to customize your search bar to make it visually appealing and align with your website's theme. Click on the settings of your newly added search bar. You'll see various customization options, including display settings. This is where you can adjust the layout and design to your liking. Take your time here to ensure that the search bar complements your site's design. You can modify the colors, the shape, and even the fonts to ensure consistency with your brand's identity. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, it's critical to save your changes. Click the Save button. It's always a good practice to save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a search bar to your Wix website. Visitors can now easily search for content, improving their browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you next time.